Today I'm going to talk about the replace function, preferably in Microsoft Access. If you're working with a list that's like working with social security numbers that have dashes and you're looking to replace the dashes with nothing, so you can compare numbers from one list to another, I can show you the error that you could be getting and the workaround. So I decided to create a table, and in this table you have first name, last name, reference number, and this reference number has the dashes. So the first thing you want to do is go to create, go in design view and select your table. And now you want to add your field names to the table. So normally in the criteria section of the field, you want to put your expression. So I first want to do just like a simple replace. You want to replace the dashes with nothing. But as soon as you add this and you try to get it to accept it, it gives you this error. The expression you entered has a function containing the wrong number of arguments. So if you went a step further and placed the field name, reference number, close out the bracket, put an extra comma there, and we're still saying replace the dashes with nothing, it accepts the argument. But the moment you run the report, you don't get any results. So the workaround would be take the same exact formula, cut it out of the reference number section, add it as an expression, you run the report, and your expression remove the dashes. So that's one of the quirks of Access, that the same formula doesn't work in the criteria of the field, but it works as an expression of another field, which is the same field, it's just a different section. And as you know, you can replace this expression with anything. So if you wanted to call it contract number, as long as you leave that colon there, it's the title that you wanted to give it. So it removes the dashes, and now you have none here, and then you can work with this in whatever way you like. So, all right, if anything, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to visit us on the web at www.graycomconsulting.com. Thanks.